Hi guys, I'm very happy to make this video because I have something very exciting and something I want to show you and explain to you um, is better by doing this video. And so here we are. What I'm going to show you today is something very exciting and something that is a small project. We are working with a very talented young guy who has a passion in radio control, and he's also passion in vintage RC models. So without further ado, here we go. Well, what I have in front of me is a new kit that we created, limited edition, and it's only available online. Can be bought at carismashop.com. It's not available anywhere else. So there we go. This is our new kit. We're calling this the 4Y24 kit. Okay, well, the name itself suggests that it is a kit we make specially for the NRC projects. Some of you are probably aware the NRC projects created this beautiful vintage replica based on our very famous popular GT24 series. And so we thought we will help consumers to be able to bring back vintage RC in 24th scale. So we collaborated and we are creating this kit. So this is the packaging. Okay, essentially this is a assembly kit for based on the GT24B, but we remove a couple of items so you can use the vintage replica from NRC projects to create your desired vintage small scale radio control model. But it has almost everything. It has a radio, it has the crazy 8000 kV motor. It has all our reliable 2-in-1 speed control unit, and also have our servos. So it basically has everything excluding the body and the wheel, and also no battery, no charger, so we can get the price down to a reasonable level. So this is the box. Now it's now available to ship. You can see it's now available online when this video goes live. So I'm going to open this up and show you what's inside. So let me kick the camera down. There we go. So this is the box. Let me get my. Well, the box comes with a sticker, so you have to cut this out. It's got the item number 79668 4Y24 assemble complete. So open this up. I do this. Right. You get a menu. Okay. We even include a small screwdriver. It's got a little wrench. So we put it aside. And then we have bags of parts, all individually labeled. So F. Bag D contains the 8000 kV motor, bunch of screws, and then it also includes the pinion gears. F, the gearbox assembly. G, back G, I think it's the rear module assembly. H is the main chassis. Back C are the shocks assembly. And then this B, the transmission assembly. And then this is back A, the differential assembly. Back E contains the PCBA, okay, and the servo, okay. It's plug and play, very simple. It's just plug and play. And of course, you have our KD Purple radio, okay, which is the same radio that goes into our our 24 scale Coyote Pub and Super Brad. This radio has a unique feature that you can, let me see, show you. So this radio has many switches, okay. Apart from the usual steering, throttle, reverse switch, this is a gear selector or speed selector. As you can see on the engraving, let's see if you can see that. Yeah, you see 1, 2, 3 there. So for beginners, it's better to do on 1. That means it limits the throttle by, it only gives you 30% throttle. So when you're becoming more familiar with your vehicle, then you can increase the speed to 2. So it gives you 60% throttle. And when you are expert, you know, very familiar, then you go to full speed, 3. It gives you 100% throttle. And then the usual connector buttons, ATV, you know, it comes with a 4, it just needs 4 AA battery, and then that's it. So with this kit, I'll bring this back up. With this kit, you basically have all the ingredients, all the components you need to create your, there you go, where is it? Vintage model from NRC Projects. Now on the box, it has the nrcprojects.com, and then there's a QR code to so you can scan it and get to the necessary location to buy your Y24 kit from NRC Projects. In the event that you don't want to make a vintage replica, then of course you can go to our online shop. You just need to buy the body shell, okay, and then you can buy a big clear body kit, and then get yourself the wheels and tires. That's it. Then you can create the mighty GT24B. Now this is probably is a very popular model. It's a particular thing. It's got 8,000 kV motor, and if you're crazy, you can do 12,000 kV motor. It's just ridiculous. You need skills to drive straight, basically. It is a fantastic little car, and we're going to bring it back to you guys. And so, if you like to build things like we do, and if you like the 24 scale, and you want to do the vintage RC replica, or if just buy the body shell and wheels, then you can go back racing with the original GT24B buggy. So go to our online shop, carismashop.com, and then look at 4Y24, and then it's now available to ship worldwide with immediate shipping. So get building.